Ah! Good morning. What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, and I'm back with another vlog. And it's gonna be your first official day in LA. We arrived last night. Didn't get to do much, but we're gonna head out today. We got one thing planned so far: Universal Studios, and there, copyright. Okay. So we're gonna head to Universal Studios. I know that, but first we're gonna get some food to eat. And I didn't give you guys a little room tour or whatever, so I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit around. I ain't gonna get a full tour because there's not much to show. So let's go. First off, we got a bathroom. Bam. Simple as right. No major. Boo boo right there. I said, man. We got the shower. The sheet. Yeah, it's all a mess because we took a shower this morning, so we ain't finna show all of that shit. Yeah, and then we got yeah, 660. Oh, let go. Damn, she look bad. Anyways, we got a little mirror right here to join. Yep. We got a little closet. We got a little iron board. Iron board. That's weird. Then we got a girlfriend right there. A little bed. A little no good ass TV. Gotta say that shit first. And that's basically it. Everywhere else is a mess because we kind of made ourselves at home. So I ain't finna show everything. But that's it. I was gonna do a whole video on it, but it's not much really exciting. We don't even got a good ass view. This is looking at a damn stupid ass wall or whatever it wanna be. See? Not much to show. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Finna show y'all the car we're whipping now. Damn, my lips are white. Finna show y'all the car we're driving and shit, and that's it. Now let's see what else that day has for us. Are you ready, baby? There she goes again.
Bitches popping. What's up? Like the fits.
Damn, she's so bad. She made me look ugly. She made me look cute. I hope there's no one in this elevator. This is the shit again. Remember the first time we tried to go? Listen to that shit. Ah, good. Ooh, it's a beautiful day in LA. Or maybe not. Looks cold. Babe, look at that traffic. Look at that traffic, guys. I ain't gonna fuck with that shit. Oh.
See, my friend ain't even canceling her classes and she in Chicago, so she ain't getting home, but then she go to school in Chicago.
This coronavirus be doing the whole other bull crap, guys. No.
Ain't they that scared? Like, what the
But the coronavirus ain't stopping our travels, though. Let's be safe. Did he carry hand sanitizers, baby? Alright. Good. Woof. It's not that cold. We're here playing for parking and shit. I don't know how that shit goes. Damn. Trying to get some food. This one's missing my name, babe. Coins, I got coins. How many more you want? Alright guys, so we're here having some Dunkin' Donuts again. Second day in a row. Maybe even the same time in a row. Out there looking like a snack over there. Come here, there's still looking like it's gonna snow.
It may rain, babe.
Huh?
It may rain.
I hope it doesn't rain, but.
It says snow.
Oh yeah, shit, I said snow.
They don't get snow in this babe. Come on, act like we from this snow.
Huh?
Come on, we gotta act.
Yeah, so we just got some shots in. We just got some shots in. You might see me pop a few up on the screen, but we finna head to Universal Studios right now because that's money already spent. So we finna come back over Hollywood Boulevard tomorrow and see what's popping.
Sunny, nice.
Hopefully, because it's stated to rain and we ain't messing with that. So let's see what's popping at Hollywood Boulevard. Okay, let's go there. You got a ball.
I got a.
You fucking with this? Fucking with
Oh, what? Copyright, yeah, my nigga.
Let me find the address.
You look so bad and so short at the same time.
Bad,
Bad and short.
bad and bougie. Bad and short. Bad and bougie. Okay.
I see how close I can get. We're going to Hollywood. I don't want to get some bad. Oh, I saw someone walk in this one.
Yeah, they got one downtown.
Really?
These look really good. It's really cool when it's warm out.
Yeah. At least there's no like copyright music playing right here though. So I can out with it.
Yeah, we would've got some tickets for like,
Because of that. I can get a sign.
you got it?
No, I didn't. I'm full everybody. He was like, I was trying to get it out. He do it again when they go around. Welcome to Universal Studios and what you now fun. People look at me laughing at me and shit. This the park right here. All my car's not covered. Side. Let me try to get the sign. Bar.
Right there.
I don't see it. Is it in the line? Is it in the frame? The bar. Is it in it? Nah, it's not. Well, they give me one buckle back. Wait, I'm gonna take one picture right there. Wait, let's take a picture of the thumbnail right here. Ready? Ah! Anyway. So yeah, guys, we're here. You didn't mean it? And she finna have a whole photo shoot, so you know I can't be vlogging a whole lot right now. So I'll link you back after I take the picture. And she want to take it with my phone too, so be right back. Okay, so after 1 hour of photo shoot, we're still trying to head to the gate. But let's go see what's up inside here. You know the music probably is. Tell her that. And the rain is coming down as we enter this damn place. Y'all watch Harry Potter, guys. Damn. But wait, they have all these music playing. It's called copyright.
Vehicles from the Fast and Furious franchise here. And then in the middle, you've got the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. What is the gyrosphere missing? Who knows?
There's a car right there.
What do you think?
The
The glass. You are exactly right. Well, guess what? It didn't have glass on it in the movie at all. They only had portions of it because if you had covered the whole thing, there would have been no angle you could film it from that you wouldn't have seen the camera reflected in the glass. So on the back lot, which is not good for us here on the tour. I hear a Spinosaurus is loose too, so keep an eye out for that. Thankfully, with those guys back there, that's just acid. You know what's in there. Maybe we should have the front car too. Now, oh, I didn't warn you. I'm so sorry. If you're in a blue seat, you might get wet. Oh, you know. All of the seats. No, I know. Oh, that is not good. That is not good at all. And, uh-oh, it looks like we have gas coming down from the ceiling now, too. That's not a good sign for us.
There's
exactly.
a man in there. Oh, shit.
There is especially the floor opening up over there on the right. And I am clearly certain there is also a gas line over there, which I do not want to explode by any means. And there are electrical units everywhere. You know, he's just here to play about some movie and TV trivia. These are like Universal Stunt Train Wreck. Anybody seen that? No? Good. Now you're in it. We're done, hopefully. Oh no. We already did a flood today. I'm gonna get out of here. Let's get out of all of those things I'm gonna do right now. It's another flood. Yeah, time for that. Thank you and yourself. You did it. You just survived earthquake, the big one. And you did it like real Angelina. There's bait in that barrel at the end of the dock, so wait, the shark is taking the dock. That must be a massive shark out there. That's what's happening. And this here is on fire.
Okay.
That's enough to distract a shark, I think. So that should give us time to make a clean. Oh no! Get away! We've hired a Bruce the shark, everyone. Here
gosh, there's a
That's really terrible.
Damn.
Oh. He's a little bit of a lady killer, so if we could just not attract his attention, that would be great. That would make my day a little bit easier for... Oh my.
It's coming out. Does he look? Damn.
We'll just pretend we didn't see that,
That's
ladies and
a
gentlemen,
legit
because if we can just keep it cool, maybe Norman will. We didn't see anything, right? So we'll just go with the psychopath. Here.